I allow the gentleman
kasi
to finish.
sasagutin ko na yung point niya.
You can answer after me. That is the
Okay.
decorum here. Do you want to see a meme? Oh, di ba? So, yun nga ang ano, wala tayong bastusan. We follow the decorum, we follow the proper order. But ang sagot parate, China ang umaangal dyan. Wala po tayong angal sa ginagawa ni Commodore Tariela pagdating sa ating national territory. Wala tayong angal po sa ginagawa niyang information campaign. Wala po tayong angal sa pag-build ng Coast Guard, sa pag-aangal sa mga nangyayari tungkol sa skirmishes with the Chinese Coast Guard, no? Mr. President, sa Philippine News Agency, January 29, when asked about the President's stance on the West Philippine Sea issue, Yuse Claire Castro said, BBM wants the government to remain firm but in a diplomatic manner. Hindi po diplomatic. Mr. President, Senator Soto knows this. I've been at his side many, many times, but I've been in his face on the opposite side. When I was minority leader, siya majority leader. This is the first time I had the pleasure na siya ang Senate President ko because I was not in the Senate noon. But never ako binastos ng staff niyo, Senator. Even dito sa mga rumors, etc., pag lumapit ako sa opisina niyo, very diplomatic ang inyong opisina. And I hope my staff din. Sinabi ko rin sa staff ko yun, kahit anong away namin ng mga senador, hindi kayo pwedeng makialam. Nung nagsuguran kami ni Majority Leader, Sergeant at Arms at kapwa senador lang dito, walang sumugod na staff ni Senator Mix, walang sumugod na staff ko. Because may tamang order, Mr. President. So ang problema, maraming nanonood sa atin, hindi natin, bakit ba napakahirap sabihin na Commodore Tariela, 99.9% ng ginagawa mo, tama. Pero medyo sumobre. Medyo naging over-eager ka. Eh, hindi lang si President Xi yun eh, simbolo ng China yun. Di ba? So yes, we're mad about their propaganda, we're mad about their threats, we're mad about what's happening, etc. But you don't want it to be an all-out debate about everything under the sun. You want talks on tourism. You want talks on OFWs. There's also hundreds of thousands of Filipinos in Hong Kong, in Macau, and kahit undocumented, marami din sa Shanghai, meron din sa Beijing. Di ba? So, we want that level of civility. Yun lang naman ang tinatanong eh. Can the Senate not condemn those who are to be condemned because mali kung paano kausapin, ituring, ipaglaban ang stand sa mga senador natin? Pero yung isa nating empleyado o kapwa-empleyado na Commodore sa Coast Guard, hindi ba natin pwedeng sabihin, Sir, we respect you, pero wag kang pupunta sa university na ka-uniforme, tapos ganyan ang presentation mo. Un-Filipino yun, medyo masama ang dating.
Mr.
Yun lang
President,
naman issue doon,
yes,
Mr. President.
Just to place it on record, para klaro din sa mga nakikinig, walang banggit ni Commodore Tariela sa resolution. Wala. So, hindi ito tungkol kay Tariela. Kasi kung kay Tariela lang po tayo, medyo nalilihis dun sa mas malawig na usapin ng resolusyon. So walang pangalan ni Tariela, Commodore Tariela rito. Number one. Having said that, tinanong ang Malacanang at tungkol nga sa mga bitiw na salita ng mga opisyal. And I quote, when pressed whether the President stands by the statement of Philippine officials on the West Philippine issue, Castro said yes. So whatever our agencies are doing to fight for the interests of our country, that's what the President wants. And that's also what he has ordered. So if the President found Commodore Tariela's statement as unpalatable or unacceptable, then he should have said so. He did not. So having said that, again, I will reiterate, if he was wrong, then Malacanang should have castigated him and reprimanded him. Malacanang, in fact, supported the statements of the officials, official statements. So I think we should support Malacanang's position. And we should support this resolution, Mr. President.
Sir President, to reply to that, number one, Malacanang said na yung statements at stand ng bawat opisyal, lahat tayong question doon. Nagkakaisa tayo lahat. Lahat tayo nagsasabing atin to. Whether we mean atin to in terms of territory or whether we mean sovereign rights. Kung ang sinasabi ng gentleman from Pampanga, wala ang pangalan ni Commodore Tariela dito, so wag natin pag-usapan. Ang problema po, mali ang argument niya kasi walang pangalan ni isa dito sa resolution na to. Di wala tayong pinag-uusapan kahit anong opisyal ng Pilipinas dito. You know, sabi niya,
Members of the House,
Mr. President,
Members
I'm
of
not
the
yet
Senate.
finished. Please don't interrupt. Konting decorum lang tayo po. Di ba? Kasi maraming gagaya sa atin po dito. Ang nakalagay po dito, members of the Senate and the House and other government officials. Wala pong pangalan ang senador, wala pong pangalan ang congressman, pero meron other government officials. Hindi ba ho other si Commodore Tariela? That's why I was asking, when we talk about official duties and functions, linawin natin. So kung attending forums is part of his duty, I will support that. If his presentation is the Treaty of Paris, the amendments with the United States, the UNCLOS 1, 2, and 3, kung papakita niya yung arbitral award, kung papakita niya kung paano kinakawawa ang ating mga Coast Guard, then let's do it. If we have to inform our people more and be on TV programs, etc. Ang question, a picture paints 1,000 words. So, para mong sinabing, wala ka namang tinawag na magnanakaw. Pero yung caricature mo, nagnanakaw siya. Sinabi mo, wala kang tinawag na corrupt. Pero yung picture na nilagay mo doon, corrupt. So, reciprocity is basic sa DFA, sa Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Whatever we say here, the United States is watching, France is watching, Israel is watching, Palestine is watching. So I don't want these countries to do a caricature of President BBM and then sabihin nila, sabi naman nyo sa Senado, okay to eh. Diba? That's why I'm clarifying. Official ba to? Hindi ba napakahirap sabihin ng hindi official yan? Kasi ang kasunod lang simple nun, wag siya mag-uniforme at wag siyang magpapakilala during that event na spokesman siya. Diba? Ngayon, Mr. President, will his presentation be diluted in any manner if he didn't show that caricature? Hindi naman eh. Hindi naman. So, the gentleman keeps asking me about the other members of the House and Senate. Kung wala akong nakikita problema doon or hindi ko pa napag-aaralan yun, that's beside the point. Ang pinag-uusapan natin, what is all over the news na minomonitor ng lahat ng ASEAN countries.